Law of attraction sounds really fascinating. It also sounds pretty marvelous and magical. But where do I begin? How do I learn this? Plus, every third person claims to be an expert. How do I even know who do I go to and what do I talk to people about? In short, where do I begin and what do I do? If that's the question that you've been wondering about, you're at the right place, because in this video I'm going to talk to you about how would I suggest anybody get into the whole concept of law of attraction. And let's begin. Hello and namaste, I'm Manish Ahuja, founder of Paycheck to Profit, India's first online community and platform which is connected and which is dedicated towards your money mindset, helping you strengthen your money mindset, get rid of your money blocks, understand law of attraction with regards to attracting more wealth in your life, and learning about investment. So if that's something that excites you, interests you, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, because I make new videos every third day. I make 10 videos every month. So how many times are you going to remember to come and check the videos? Just subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and YouTube will do the rest of sending you a notification every time I upload a new video. Let's get going on the whole concept that we are discussing today. How does one start to understand the whole concept of law of attraction? I'll tell you, I'll keep it very simple. The first step that I would like you to do is start reading up and watching a lot of videos. You'll say, what's the big deal about it? How will that help me? So law of attraction, first of all, is an entire principle. It's a concept. And I have been making videos, so you can start with those videos if you want. And the reason why I'm telling you to see videos or read about it, about the subject, is because that's the easiest way to start grasping knowledge. It's the easiest way to start getting comfortable with the vocabulary, and it is the easiest way to come up with new questions. Why is this important? Is because if I was to just give you a book, it will not impact you as much as seeing videos of different people, understanding different perspectives. Don't watch videos from hundreds of different of people, because then it will start confusing you. Start watching video of 1, 2, 3 people, and then you'll realize, okay, you relate more with this person, and then start watching their content. Once you've started understanding a little about the content and the concept, then start talking to people about it. You'll tell me, where do I start talking to people? The easiest way to get in touch with people who believe in the law of attraction is to find people in Facebook groups or Reddit. And believe me, I have learned a lot from both of these places. If you want, I have started a Facebook group called Paycheck to Profit. You'll find the link of that in the description below. Please join the group. Please ask your questions either in the comments or in the group. You have over 1,700 people who will probably help you understand your concept better, answer questions for you, and just start understanding the whole mindset of money. Understand the whole concept of mindset of financial freedom, the mindset of law of attraction, so that you know where to sync all of it together. I hope this is resonating with you at some level. Then start learning about various aspects of law of attraction. There is visualization, there is journaling, there is affirmations, there is the overall concept of being positive and attracting positive vibes and energy and manifesting through the whole concept of positivity, gratitude. There is a lot. Okay. Law of attraction in itself can be extremely overwhelming. So do not try to even think that you can, learn the whole thing in a day, in an hour. I find it extremely funny when somebody tells me that they've seen a movie on Netflix which has been the most popular movie, and they say, now I understand everything about law of attraction. Or they just read this most popular book which is based on the movie, it's based on the book, and they say, I know everything that there is to know. I'll tell you what, you probably know everything, but practicing everything is not the same as knowing. So talk to people who are practicing, learn from other people's experiences, mistakes, what kind of things that they've gone through, what were the hurdles that they faced. It's not that easy. When I coach people and when I talk to them about law of attraction, most of the problems of law of attractions are actually connected to their money blocks. What happens is your money blocks actually define the way you think. And if your thought process is negative at some level, on such a subconscious level that you don't even realize, that money block is going to hamper with your law of attraction practice, and you will not even know that. So it's very easy, but it's not very easy to implement as you may feel. Especially there's this whole concept of not knowing the unknown. If you don't know that there's a problem that exists in your thought process, how are you even going to tackle it? How are you going to even manage it? How are you going to identify it to begin with? So talk to people. I'll be very shameless and I'll plug myself over here. Get yourself a coach, because I know how my life has changed after getting myself multiple coaches. So what's stopping you? Invest in yourself. That's the best thing that you can do for yourself. Invest in a coach which will help you understand how you can get rid of these money blocks, or how you can understand the whole concept or practice of law of attraction better. I'm not telling you come to me. I'm telling you just find yourself a good coach who you resonate with. And if you resonate with me, please follow me on other social media channels, and you'll probably understand how can you get associated and join my community. We'll talk about that some other time. That this is not the platform to talk about it. This is a platform where I just tell you how you can get started on law of attraction. The biggest problem that most people do once they get into law of attraction is they start practicing it like a pro, but the more you practice, the more vulnerable you get, the more impatient you get. And this is something that has happened with me. I'll tell you my story. I got introduced to the whole concept of law of attraction about 2 years ago, and I started getting really impatient with regards to, okay, why can't I manifest this? This is so simple, this is so easy, this has to work. And that was my biggest stupidity. You have to be patient. You have to know that everything aligns when the time is right. You have to understand that, see, there's a lot of things that happen in the background that you don't understand, and which you're not even supposed to understand, because a lot of things about law of attraction also work on faith. So there are multiple things. This is all about getting started. So don't even try to understand how to reach the 10th floor of a building by stairs if you don't even know how to walk. Understanding? I hope this is a good starting point for you. Share this video with people who you think can gain from this video, and they can get their starting point with regards to law of attraction. If you have any questions, if you did not understand any concept, or if you want me to elaborate on something else in particular, please feel free to comment below. Please feel free to reach out to me on social media. I'm very active on Twitter, Instagram, and all the other ones. Find me. You'll find all the links in the description below. That's about it from me in today's video. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Ka-ching!